Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do.
Hi guys, it's Janscrazylife. So we're doing December daily for day 7. Today is the 8th, Saturday, but we're doing it for yesterday. So this was the 6th. Here is our page for the 7th. So if you missed Friday Night Live when I went live with Jamie's Crafty World and Kat's Perfectly Imperfect Crafts, we were painting winter, like any kind of winter picture or like Christmas, and this was the painting that I painted. And so what I did was I scanned it on the printer and printed 2 of them and cut them down to the size. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to ink it up with some blue, and take that red off and get the blue. Alright, and I'm going to ink up my edges, and then we'll talk about like my day. My day was kind of not a lot going on. I kind of took a day off from like running myself crazy, recording so many videos and doing everything else and uploading them, which today we're back doing it again. But so I didn't really do much. Matt made frozen pizza for dinner, and I just kind of hung out with the girls. We went live, and then me and the girls just kind of hung out on Google Hangouts. So, let's ink up our little pictures. So here's my sentiment, and it basically says, so this is going to be a quick video. It says, today was a chill day. Didn't do much of anything. Went live with the girls and painted a winter page. And so I am basically just inking up everything. And my plan is to not do any amazing tucks or spots. I'm just gonna, I want the background to kind of stand out, so I might add all of this on there. I might not. We shall see as we get to place and everything. But I am going to glue the pages in before I start adding stuff to it this time, because I did print it only on printer paper, and so it's not very structured to support me gluing stuff on and then putting it in. So we're gonna glue it in first, and then we're gonna ink up the actual page itself and get the center. So I hope everyone is staying warm, and I'm praying for anyone that's caught in the storms that have been going on. I know Tammy got on, and I told her I was going to pray for her because she's in Oklahoma. They're supposed to get a really bad like snowstorm coming their way. Alright, so just putting some of this in the middle, and it doesn't have to be really blended out too much, just so it's not stark white. And then over here on this side, okay, perfect. So I wonder if I should come in. Let me see how far we cut. No, I think we're fine. Okay, I was seeing if I should come down. Alright, so let's glue these in, and since they're the same, it's probably not going to matter which one we do when. Ooh. Alright. So we're going to stick this one on this. And this is a great way, like I have this little book of things that I painted, and I kind of keep it in there, so anytime I want to add it somewhere else, I just scan it and print it out, put my paper on my book on top of the printer, and make a copy of it. And I think it's a great way to add your own art, your own paper into things. And, okay. Jamie did a snowman, and I was so impressed by her. You guys should go check out that video if you haven't seen it. It was so good. It was the first time she ever painted anything, and she did amazing, amazing. And so, okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to figure out where things are going to go. So day 7, and we want to put Friday, day 7 over there. Our sentiment right here, because I don't want to cover up too much, right? We want to do, maybe we need to, I'm like, we're gonna have to, okay, let's just glue this on. So this is gonna go here. We want the sentiment to go here, and then day 7 to go here. Day 7, and then Friday to go above it. We'll just put that above. And then here's what Matt made for dinner, so we're going to put that at the bottom. There we go. And then there was Google Hangouts for the win. And then we're going to put this here at the bottom, because we were on Google Hangouts, me and the girls. And we have a YouTube live, but I think that red is just so, I'm going to put it on there. And then I think that's it. So I'm trying not to cover up too much of the scenery. So I'm going to put it over here by the pizza. And then that's pretty much it. So this was super fast and super simple, but all the work went into the background and I didn't want to cover it up too much. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Subscribe if you haven't already, because the best is yet to come. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
We are who we are. Why don't I be